Okay, what outfit am I wearing today? What do I do? What do I do? Do you guys match your outfits with your makeup? I feel like I used to be against it, but sometimes I'm like all about it. I think I should do like a really cute like green eye. What do you guys think? Green and like nude. Ah, or maybe blue. No, maybe pink? Actually, you know what? Let me just do my fucking eyebrows before I even decide. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see here, there's a couple of things I want to explain. One, I didn't get beat up. Like, I didn't get punched in the mouth. I literally just got my lips done yesterday. Yes. And you know what I mean? Like, girl, that's not gonna stop me from putting on fucking makeup. So, to answer everyone's question and concerns that I did not get punched in the face, I did not fall down the stairs, I did not hit myself in the face, in the wall, whatever. I just simply got my lips done. Do they look nice? And then another thing is my forehead right now is, if you guys look a little close, it is peeling. I literally just got my face lasered actually like 3 days ago. So I'm technically not supposed to put on makeup, but whatever. So I'm just gonna Photoshop that a little bit for my selfies, but you guys just forgive me and just not look at it, okay? Like, please don't look at it. Like, we all go through these things. We all go through these skincare situations, and if you have perfect skin, F you, because you're so fucking lucky that you don't have to go through it like me. But let me just go and get these eyebrows on because I really want to start my fucking eyes. But hi guys, how are you guys doing? Are we feeling gorge? Are we feeling sickening? Are we just feeling fucking cunt? Oh yeah, new backdrop. Hi Gray. I was just gonna order the white. I was just kind of, you know, trying to change it up a little bit. You guys, as I'm doing these brows, make sure you guys take this time right now. If you guys have not, subscribe to my channel, go ahead. But today, you guys, we are gonna go ahead and play with some makeup. I don't have anything really new. Like, I feel like right now with like all the brands, like people are kind of like not coming up with new stuff. Like, I'm like, where usually my office is full of fucking PR. I think today my look is gonna be like a wet zebra, kind of like almost like getting ready for the summer vibe. Like, I'm just so fucking over winter. I'm so over it. And honestly, I'm just gonna skip spring because I don't even know. Maybe I should do like a spring look, my interpretation of a spring look. No. I'm gonna do a green eye. I'm just gonna prime this really fast and just get this primer. Oh shit, I just put a little too much on this eye. I'm honestly so bothered by my forehead on how much it's peeling, but that means the laser is working. Because usually when I go to laser away, they usually laser my skin. It's called the Clear and Brilliant procedure, where they literally like sit you down, they numb your face completely so you don't feel anything, and they laser your skin, and basically it just gets rid of scars, it gets rid of like acne, it gets rid of anything that's not smooth. So yeah, I'm not even technically supposed to put on makeup today, but fuck it, right? Whatever. Okay, you guys, I'm honestly gonna use this little old palette here. This is a ColourPop palette. These came in like multi different colors, and I'm gonna use a little Gaga green. Today is gonna be a very just green eye. I'm feeling just doing like green. Like, I feel like I should use a little bit of like a primer, but I don't really have a green primer. So if you guys have a green palette, go ahead and pull that out right now, and we're gonna figure out the lips later. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush. Let's go ahead and dip into this moment, this green. I don't really use, ooh, that's a pretty shade. I mean, a lot of fallout, but whatever. Honestly, you guys, when it comes to ColourPop, I love ColourPop. Like, I'm like a big fan of ColourPop because ColourPop shadows to me are so cute and tiny. And not only they have so many different options, but they're so pigmented, like just like this. Look at this, how pigmented it is. But look at all this fallout. Look at all this fallout, you guys. Oh my God. I hate when palettes do that because I feel like you waste it, but whatever. Who's really honestly like using the whole palette anyways? But yeah, I feel like right now, like, there's not really a lot of brands that are launching anything. I feel like right now it's just a lot of like little things like mascara. Like, I'm getting a lot of mascara, which by the way, I barely wear mascara. I mean, honestly, when it comes to mascara, I'm just not the best because I wear so many big lashes, and my little actual human lashes are so tiny that you don't even see. I feel like when you put mascara on it, it just gets worse. So I don't really wear mascara. I'm actually very obsessed with this green. It's actually looks different than the actual palette. Like, look at this. This is so fucking cunt. Like, honestly, these came in so many different shades. I don't even think you guys can get this palette on ColourPop anymore. But I'm gonna go ahead and take this Act Natural shade, and let's just kind of get the color underneath like this. We're gonna curve it up a little bit. Ooh, pretty. And also you guys sound off in the bottom, like I was thinking of doing a video and I wasn't sure if you guys wanted to see it or not, but I was actually thinking of doing a video where it was called my top 10 Morphe products. And actually, you know what? Let's scratch that. If you guys want to see that video, we can definitely do that because I was thinking about it. But I know there's a lot of people that aren't Morphe fans, but I actually would love to know if you guys would love a video if it's called my top 10 favorite products of all time in makeup, skincare, top 10 products in skincare, top 10 products in makeup. Let me know down in the comments below if that's something you guys would like to see. So this is like top 10 I will pay full price for, not even PR. Like this is like top 10 favorite of all fucking time, okay? Going back to this shade now, let's go ahead and focus on this green eyeshadow because I just literally forgot what I'm doing. Take a little bit of that brush we used earlier and just kind of blend. But when you guys blend, you guys want to really blend tight. Now the thing about keeping the shadows really tight to the eye is that the whole point is to really keep that eyeshadow very tight, meaning that it doesn't hit the brow. The underneath blown out shadow isn't too blown out. We really want to keep it tight. So the point is that when you open your eyes, see how I open my eyes? It just looks like this little tight little moment, okay? I say tight because that's just kind of my way to say, you know, keep it very small and precise. And also I'm gonna pull out this Haus Labs. I'm huge fans of Haus Lab product because their products to me really work besides those holiday palettes that he just came out with. I really didn't like those. And I'm using a green liner because I want to keep it very green. And then what I'm going to do next, you guys, is we're going to go ahead and put some shadow right on top of this. So the liner underneath really does help the green pop out more. Okay, so now taking that brush, the little tiny brush right here, we're gonna go ahead and dip right into the palette again. I'm gonna stick with that same kind of green that I've been kind of using blowing all over. And then what we're gonna do is that we're not gonna keep this very matte. It's gonna be very shimmery. So we're gonna put the shimmer on top. So it's okay if you guys mess up the green moment. This is one of my favorite brushes to blow out shadow underneath. It's the A20, what is it? A29 Anastasia Beverly Hills. Just because it's like fat, it's like enough to like blend if you want to go in circles. So I usually love this brush underneath the eye. See, it's just kind of like really tight. I love it. And I love to use it to just press on the edges. It's like literally one of my favorite fucking brushes to like do shadow with. I have so many favorite brushes that I love to use, but like there are specific ones that I just love to use for eyeshadow. So I'm taking that brush and we are just kind of pressing it onto the eye. We're gonna get really crazy with the shimmer, okay, you guys? So right now it's all about laying down the mattes and just pressing it and really making sure the pigmentation is exactly what it's supposed to be. Now, we're gonna look for a tinier brush, okay? So I'm gonna use this one. This is like a little taper brush. This is a Morphe one. So I know you guys have something like so. Very tight. Now, I love to use this in the inner corner of my eye. So taking that, this is where I love to use this brush, is right here. This is what's going to really keep the shadows tight to the eye. Ooh, how pretty. How pretty. So it's the same thing, you guys. You're only using those 3 colors. We're just kind of really placing them where we should. I'm not really placing them in the middle because I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna go in and it's gonna be very shimmery. So same thing on this eye. Take that little taper brush. If you guys don't have one of these brushes, I really recommend getting them because they're just amazing to go into like the little areas of the face. I'm actually thinking we should do like a color in the middle, like maybe a purple. What about like a pink? Ooh, I think doing a pink would be really cute. Okay, maybe I am gonna do like a spring eye today because I feel like green and pink are so like spring. So we kind of have something like that. Let's just kind of really blend underneath one more time because I think this is gonna be the last time we do this. Ooh. I love it. Okay, so now taking a very thin brush, but a clean one. See what happens when this gets right here where it needs to be blended. So you just take a little clean brush, and what we do is that we just kind of really blend it. It's almost like you're erasing it a little bit, but you're kind of erasing the lines. Okay, now just kind of taking it, and we're just gonna blend the edges so it's not so harsh. What I want to do is now we're going to change the plans. Now, this, you guys listen, this always happens, okay? I understand when we're getting ready. Don't you all understand, like, when we get ready in the morning and we tend to do like a liner or like a crease or something, we always just end up changing it. We're going to go ahead and keep it green, but I want to do very shimmery. Like, I'm going to do it like almost like a pixie dust. Not pixie dust, but you know, you get what I'm saying. Taking that big brush we used earlier to kind of blend out the edges. We're going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of this shimmer green. So basically, I'm gonna use all of this. Let me just take this off. Okay, so we're gonna be using all the shimmers in this. So taking this shimmery color, what color shimmer is that? Okay, that's pretty. Now we're just gonna take it and just roll with it. That'd be kind of hot if we did like a wet green eye. But I don't really feel like wearing a wet eye today. So I'm just gonna take the shimmer and just kind of put it all over, just like so. And then there's this really pretty shade. I feel like I've used so much, but this kind of gold moment, let's kind of see what that looks like. Oh, I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I like that. It's a little too gold for me. Actually, that's not bad. I used like this really kind of goldy shade. Actually, this is kind of cut. Okay, so you guys take that shade. Let's go ahead and put it inside and just really kind of tap it on. We're not gonna really go too much. What this is gonna do is it's just gonna add some lightness to the eyes. And then taking that little brush or the big brush we used earlier, let's go ahead and just blend that in. We really want like a tight blend. I hate this little water driplet right here, so we're gonna take that little flat brush and just really tighten it up, mattify it a little bit. It always happens, like when I use shimmer on the bottom of my eyes get so watery. Wow, you guys, this eye is turning out fucking bomb. Like, I'm actually very, very excited that we did this. And you guys, this is fucking ColourPop. All right, you guys, I have an idea. I just literally thought of this piece right here. This is called UFO, and I feel like this would be so fucking pretty in the middle. What do you guys think? Should I put this on? I think I should put this on. So get a little closer and let's see what it looks like. Now these little eye gels, like you literally just paint them on like a lip gloss. Like that's kind of how it works. I think I've used this before and it's actually really pretty. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on here. Ooh, look at that. It's a little too silvery for me. I think it's a little too... I mean, there are some green aspects in there, but I kind of want it more green. I mean, that's kind of con. Let's see if I have something else. Well, I mean, it's not an epic fail, but it's not like the look that I want, you guys. Like, I want it to be like, I don't know. Okay, so let's see this. Let's add Lumi from Sugar Pill, you guys. This is a little like loose pigment Sugar Pill. It's almost like a vibrant bluish green. So let's kind of see what this looks like. I'm over here just ready to play and put on whatever I have. Getting a little brush like this and then you kind of just really wet it is gonna help keep the product really kind of stay. So let's kind of see what this looks like. Okay, yeah, that's like way better. Look at that. Oh, that's way better. I totally just covered up the fucking Maven, but I feel like this looks better. That's actually kind of cool with the other product from Maven. But you guys, I think I'm gonna keep it like that. Let's kind of keep it simple. Okay, last but not least, you guys, so let's go ahead and see a little liner and see what that looks like. Do we need to add any more? We'll just add it. Oh, with the liner, it's like, God, I love it with the liner. Oh, wow. You guys, we fucking did it. Now, I do want to add like one more thing before we get into lashes. I'm just gonna add a little black on the edge on my eye, just like that. Because if you put it all over, it's gonna take away the green. And then taking out a little brush, and we're just gonna pack a little bit of black right on the edge to kind of blend. You see this little annoying area? Now, usually you only can do this when you wear black eyeshadow, is that I like to take a little shadow and I just kind of press it. It's almost like setting it. See, it just takes it away. So that's a trick, you guys. So if you guys are tearing up like me, because I always tear up when I do shimmers on the bottom, I don't know what it is. Just put a little black shadow and it just kind of disappears. It's like you're setting the tears. Ooh, I'm fucking feeling gorge. Okay, so we are about to get ready for some lashes. Alright guys, so we have the green kind of moment. Give me a few seconds to put on some lashes. I'll be right back. Yeah, am I not feeling it, girl? Oh my God, I'm so excited. You know what? I would have did a black fucking lip. I should have did a fucking black lip. Fuck! You guys, we just got to the ending of this fabulous look. I'm so excited, me and you. We got there, you guys. Remember, beginning of this video, we were very skeptical. We did not know what we were gonna do, and I'm so excited we picked this green. I feel like it's going with this whole like vibe going on. Yeah, you guys, I'm feeling fucking gorge. I hope your guys' green eyeshadow came out sickening. I'm pretty sure it did, because you know why? We're that fucking gorge and we're that fucking great at makeup. So you guys, I had so much fun doing this video. I had so much fun. Thank you so much for doing makeup with me. Thank you so much for talking with me. I know I was a little skeptical, but I'm low-key kind of mad. I should have did a black fucking lip. Like, let me see. That would have been sexier. Fuck! But you guys, in the meantime, thank you guys so much for viewing. Like I said, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button. I have beauty videos coming out every single week. Also, if you guys want to be a part of the new contest, go ahead and check out the video prior to this video. Check out on how you guys can win a box full of makeup. So in the meantime, I'm Kimora. I love you guys so much. And also, if you guys are shopping on Morphe or BADDIE, TATTI, go ahead and use my code Kimora. It does save you money off at the end of the purchase, almost like a discount code. You know, I'm trying to save you all some money. I'm gonna go take some pictures. I'll be back.